Welcome to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're going to take a journey through time and space and discover the top 10 facts about the universe, from the Big Bang to black holes. Fact 1. The universe began with the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was just a hot, dense point that exploded and expanded rapidly, creating everything we see today. Fact 2. Stars are born from clouds of gas and dust. Gravity pulls the gas and dust together, creating a dense core that heats up and ignites, forming a star. Fact 3. Stars die in spectacular explosions called supernova. When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses and explodes, releasing huge amounts of energy and creating heavy elements like gold and silver. Fact 4. Black holes are the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are formed when a massive star collapses and its gravity becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Fact 5. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. It contains about 100 billion stars and is about 100,000 light-years across. Fact 6. Most of the universe is made up of dark matter and dark energy, which we can't see or detect directly. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, while dark energy makes up about 68%. Fact 7. The cosmic microwave background is the oldest light in the universe. It was created about 380,000 years after the Big Bang and is still visible today as a faint glow in the sky. Fact 8. The Hubble Space Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It has captured stunning images of galaxies, stars, and nebulae, and has helped us discover new planets, and understand the origins of the universe. Fact 9. Gravitational waves are ripples in space-time that are created when massive objects like black holes collide. In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time, confirming a prediction made by Albert Einstein over 100 years ago. Fact 10. The universe is still expanding. In fact, it's expanding at an accelerating rate, which means that galaxies are moving away from each other faster and faster. Scientists are still trying to understand why this is happening and what it means for the future of the universe. And there you have it, the top 10 facts about the universe, from the Big Bang to black holes. We hope you enjoyed this journey through time and space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about the wonders of the universe.